Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. There you are in front of me HP 2700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check your IP address of embedded web server of this printer. So firstly, of course, need to open the embedded web server using the HP Smart application. As you can see, it's HP Smart. So of course, I'll show you how to do it. So open HP Smart, connect your HP Smart to the HP printer. Click twice on the HP DeskJet icon. Then click Advanced Settings to open the embedded web server. Then click Network here. And if you have connected to the Wi-Fi network, here you will see the network address. And now you can copy this IP. Of course, every printer will have another IP address. Continue to your printer settings. Okay, now click Advanced if you are using the Chrome, and click Protect to 192.168.88 and other unsafe. So click on it, it's local web server of your HP printer. And great, that's it. As you can see, what it was? Oh, okay, it's HP web page. So great, that's it. As you can see, now we can use our printer with embedded web server. Of course, you have the password for this device, but you will have the sticker inside of the printer with the password of this printer. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.